Hello guys, and welcome back to my another video. We will teach you how to how to sneeze prank to your classmate or to your mother, sister, or brother. So you just need a perfume, I mean um, a perfume case, or what, I don't know what's it called, that, or an alcohol, things that you want to spray. Oops. Like I'm using alcohol spray. So you wanna empty alcohol spray. So you wanna wash it. Then you wanna put the water in it. So in this case, you just wanna an example. So this thing, you will just said Achoo! Then there's a spray. Achoo! Okay? Achoo! 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 There's a noise for that hatchet thing. There is. So you wanna do it not nearby, so she or she or he can't hear the sound of this thing. So you wanna go to backward and not really heard it. So you do the achoo. The same time you spray achoo. You said it was your your nose and your mouth, the achoo. It's the water. And they said, oh my God, what's that? So they will freak out and mad at you and said, it's a prank. When you do the achoo and you want or you want to close it and you want to put it in your two hands and sorry for that, guys. You just want to do that thing. So in that case, you know how to prank a sneeze prank. So that's all, guys.